Top 10 Facts About Sydney Opera House. Number 1. The Sydney Opera House, designed by Danish architect Jørgen Utzon, is renowned worldwide for its unique and groundbreaking design. Its sail-like shells are a hallmark of modern architecture. Number 2. Construction of the Opera House began in 1959 and took 14 years to complete. The innovative design posed numerous engineering challenges that were eventually overcome through groundbreaking techniques. Number 3. Situated on Bennelong Point in Sydney Harbour, the Opera House offers breathtaking views of the harbour, Sydney Harbour Bridge, and the city skyline. Number 4. In 2007, the Sydney Opera House was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in recognition of its cultural significance, architectural brilliance, and impact on the arts. Number 5. The Opera House isn't just a single venue, it's a complex that houses multiple performance spaces, including the concert hall, opera theatre, drama theatre, playhouse, and more. Number 6. The Opera House hosts an array of performances from opera and classical music to theatre, dance, contemporary music, and even talks and workshops. Number 7. The venues within the Opera House are known for their outstanding acoustics. The concert hall, for example, houses the largest mechanical tracker action pipe organ in the world. Number 8. The Opera House has become a symbol of Australian culture and a prominent cultural landmark, representing the nation's artistic and creative achievements. Number 9. The Opera House often serves as a canvas for stunning light projections and artworks during special events and celebrations, adding to its allure. Number 10. Millions of visitors from around the globe come to witness the Sydney Opera House each year. Guided tours offer an opportunity to explore the interior, learn about its history, and get a behind-the-scenes look at its operations.